In this video, we will learn how to make a beautiful animation that you will love to make. So, let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Picture. Here I have downloaded a picture from Google. Select and insert it. Go to Animation, click on Add Animation. Select Grow and Shrink. Increase duration size. Go back to Insert. Click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Design, click on Colors, select this color. Click on Right button, go to Format Shape, click on Fill, select Gradient Fill. Increase transparency by selecting 1. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Freeform, drag like this. Go to Shape Fill, select Color. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Select both and go to Merge Shape, select Intersect. Click on Right button, go to Format Shape, choose the color and also increase the transparency. Go back to Insert, select Text Box, write Slide here. Choose a new font for your text, make it bold, increase the text size and add some icons here. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Line, drag it like this. Go to Shape Outline, select Color, also increase bit size. Add some information for PPT. Select Text Box, go to Animation, select Flying. Go to Effect option, select From Left. Select Start with Previous. Increase duration size. Select Text Box, click on Animation Painter, apply on this icon. Go to Effect option, select From Right. And follow the same process. You can also use delay here. Select All. Go to Animation pane. Go to Effect option and increase Smooth Start and Bounce in size. Then OK. Now click on Slide Show. See friends, our animation looks very beautiful. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.